chronic call-offs draining your nursing team? It's time to break the cycle. Here are 5 smarter staffing strategies to stabilize your workforce. Step 1. Identify root causes. Is it burnout or simply poor scheduling? Pinpointing the why allows you to address the problem at the source. Step 2. Optimize scheduling. Flexibility is the key to reducing the urge to call off. Balanced rosters keep your staff engaged and your floors covered. Step 3. Build a safety net. Agency partnerships bridge the gap during last-minute emergencies. Agency support ensures quality care never stops, even when things change. Step 4. Implement float coverage. This ensures specialized support is always ready to move. Internal floats provide the agility your facility needs to stay operational. Step 5. Reward reliability. Consistent attendance should be recognized and celebrated. Valuing your reliable team members builds a culture of accountability. Ready to reduce call-offs and stabilize your staffing? Partner with Connect Health today. Visit us at connecthealth.com to build your staffing safety net. Connect Health, smart staffing for modern healthcare.